Ever found yourself in a situation where a tooth just got knocked out? It's called dental avulsion, and it can happen to anyone at any time. The good news is, there are steps that can be taken to increase the chances of saving the tooth. First things first, keep calm and act quickly. Time is of the essence here. The faster you act, the better the chances of saving the tooth. Next, find the tooth. It's crucial to handle it correctly to avoid further damage. Always hold the tooth by the crown. That's the part which is usually visible in the mouth, never by the root. The root contains cells necessary for the tooth to reattach to the bone, which can be easily damaged. Now, if the tooth is dirty, it needs a gentle rinse. Use only milk or saline solution. Avoid scrubbing or cleaning with soap or chemicals, as these can cause damage to the root. Once the tooth is clean, it's time to try to reposition it. If possible, try to place the tooth back in the socket. Bite down on a clean cloth or a piece of gauze to help keep it in place. However, if you can't put the tooth back in the socket, it's important to keep it moist. Place it in a small container of milk or a tooth preservation product if one is available. If those aren't options, place the tooth in the mouth, next to the cheek. Avoid storing it in water, as this can cause root cells to swell and burst. Next on the list is to seek professional help. Get to a dentist or an endodontist as soon as possible. Remember, time is of the essence. The quicker you can get professional help, the better chances of saving the tooth. Now, if a dentist or an endodontist isn't immediately available, head to an emergency room. While they might not be able to replant the tooth, they can provide care for the injury and give advice on next steps. Here's a quick recap of the key steps. 1. Keep calm and act quickly. 1. Find the tooth and handle it by the crown, not the root. 1. If dirty, gently rinse the tooth with milk or saline solution. 2. Try to reposition the tooth back in the socket or keep it moist. 1. Seek professional help immediately. Remember, dental avulsion is a serious injury that requires immediate attention. Acting quickly and following these steps can help save a tooth. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is to prioritize the well-being and health of the person affected.